What's going on, guys? It's Eddie with DIY Basics. I just want to go over real quick how to stain a piece of wood. A lot of people think it's some sort of secret art or something, but it's actually very easy and very forgiving. So jump right into it. It's very simple. You can basically apply the color stain to the piece of wood that you want to stain. Just saturate it. So that just saturate the whole thing. You know, make sure you get everything. I would rub it in line with the grain. So whichever way the grain is going, that's how you want to rub it in. Grab a little bit more and just apply it. Once you're ensure you've got stain on the entire piece, and what I do is I just take my rag, the dry side of whatever rag I'm using, and I just wipe it off. Take that excess off, and it gives you an idea of what you're working with. If you want the stain to be darker, then you just leave it on a little longer. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's not very complicated. You let it dry, and then you put a little coat of polyurethane on there. I like to use the water-based stuff. It dries quickly and it cleans up easy as well. Hope you enjoyed this tip. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.